Hey guys, Chad here. Today we're going to be talking about the 999 method on Amazon. Now we're going to be diving into what exactly the 999 method is, as well as how we can utilize it during our product research phase to really size up how much sales are taking place across all these different products. So let's go ahead, we're going to dive in. Let's get started on Amazon here. Let's say, for instance, we're interested in selling cactus earrings. Now, as you can see on the first page, we're going to have a few sponsored results, but then here's the first organic listing. So I'm going to open this first organic listing in a new page, new tab, and then I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to add that listing or that product to the cart. We're going to jump over to the cart right here. And then this is where we implement the 999 method to understand how much inventory this company has as of right now. So we're going to hit 999, and the reason why we type in 999 is because the system only allows us to enter in three digits, right? We can't do 1,000 because that would be 4 digits. So we enter in 999. Surely enough, this seller has only 52 of these available, right? Okay, so that's how many items they have, that's how many cactus earrings they have available today, or pairs of cactus earrings, right? 52. Now, if we come back tomorrow, it's likely that that number is going to be lower, right? And we're going to start to track all of this data inside of the 999 method template. Guys, this is something I created for you guys. This is something I use during my product research phase, and it's something that's going to be available for you guys down in the description below. So as you can see, we got quite a few, products in here. We're going to fill in the ASIN, which is just the unique identifier associated with each product, the company name, as well as what is the inventory on day one. So inventory for this particular product is 52. So I'm going to come over here. We're going to punch in 52. Now we're going to find the ASIN associated with this product. So I'm going to click inside here. The ASIN is this B0 number, okay? It can also be found further on down the listing. No, I passed it. I'm sorry. Here. There. Right there, the ASIN. So we're going to copy that just below the product description. I'm going to paste special, and I just do values only, okay? Now, I also like to grab this URL, and the reason for that is because there's a good chance that I may want to circle back around and get some more information about this particular product. You guys may also want to add price in here if that's something you'd like to add. You know what? We'll go ahead and do it. Why? Because we can. Because the more information we have on this bad boy, the better. Okay. So let's go ahead, we're gonna do $6.99, whoops. Screwing it up, guys. 6.99. So we'll just do dollars, good, and then company. And company is really just something that I use as a reference point just to remember, hey, that's what this product is. Okay, so again, we're gonna come back tomorrow. They may still have 52. They may have, 45 the next day. Again, what we're trying to understand here is what is the sales pattern, whoops, that should be lower. What's the sales pattern associated with each one of these products? And is the sales pattern really matching up with what we're seeing on Jungle Scout as well as Viral Launch, right? So these are just tools that we utilize in order to really size up how many units are being sold on a monthly basis, okay? These are just estimates though, guys. That's one thing you have to understand is Jungle Scout and Viral Launch are just data points. They're just estimates, and that's why you're going to see different numbers in each one of these systems, right? And so again, what we're trying to do is just create another data point for you guys to understand, hey, is this something that I should be investing my time, my money into as I continue to move forward and build my Amazon business? So again, as you can see here, we're not just going to stop at one product, right? So I'm going to go to the second one. We're going to open up the second one. We're going to open up the third one. Let's see what we got, guys. Let's go ahead and add these to our cart. Add to cart. I don't know if that registered. Oh, it did. Good to go there. Add to cart. And then I'm going to click inside the cart. So we should have 3 items in our cart. Now we've already done this one, 52, so I'm going to click Save for Later. Awesome. So let's do this sterling silver one. Again, guys, simple as can be. 999 update. All right, these guys only have 5 available, right? Wowie. All right, so I'm gonna grab this ASIN, this B0 number. I'm just gonna paste it in here, come back over here. I'm gonna grab this URL. I'm going to insert the link, paste it in here. Again, you guys don't have to do all of this necessarily. This is just something that I like to do, right? So 18 bucks. And the company name is Flying something. All right, so that's good. And I think we said they only had 5 available, right? Now, one thing we don't want to see, guys, is something like this, right? This is obviously a red flag. Something's going on here. This is not good. So again, I'm just throwing out numbers, right? You're gonna have to come back day 2, 3, 4, 5, but we're just trying to create another data point. So we did that. So let's save that one for later. Again, we're gonna be coming back. We're gonna be checking these tomorrow. Hit that, 999. I'm gonna hit update. These guys have 55. Perfect. And I'm just gonna click inside here. We'll close out of that previous tab. We'll do 55. Interesting, everybody's got kind of a low inventory level across the board here. So there's that. I'm gonna copy the ASIN. Again, just copying the link, paste, and how much were those? Those were $9.99. Now, so this gives you guys a good idea of how to fill out this template, right? Now, every once in a while, you may see it go down to, 40, excuse me. It may hit 30, and then it may jump up 130, right? And the reason for that is because they're selling, and then they're getting more inventory in the system. So if that's the case, ignore any sales that may have taken place here, right? What you have to do is you have to continue on down the list and go, okay, they sold 10 here, 20 here, and continue to look at the sales patterns, excluding the days that they receive inventory, essentially. Now, outside of this, I also want to show you guys something, another thing that you may see whenever you're applying the 999 method, right? So, come on. We're going to look up baby sleep wedge. And we're going to click this OCC baby right here. And as we add it to the cart and run this 999 method, I'm going to show you guys something that's unique to this particular product. And this is something that I wouldn't say unique, because this is something that can be applied to any given product on the back end under your seller account, right? So here we go, 999. Just a few more tidbits for those of you still watching. Here we go. This seller has a limit of 10 per customer, right? So there's no way we can tell how many units they have in stock, because they're actually limiting the number of products per customer to 10, right? So if we were to fill this out under product 4, it would just be this every single day, because the 999 method isn't going to work on something that has a maximum quantity per customer. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense, guys. So again, they're just limiting their product to 10 per customer. Nothing to it. There's no way we can continue to check how many they're selling on a regular basis based on their inventory level through the 999 method. Now, the other thing that I want to share with you guys is sometimes you will be able to order 999 units on a different product. Obviously not this one, but on a given product. And the reason for that is because they've got over 999 units in stock, right? So if someone had, let's say, 5,000 units in stock, it's likely that this is what you're going to see every single day, okay? And so this is an example of something that you wouldn't necessarily need to track. All in all, guys, I hope this gives you a broad overview as to what the 999 method is, how we can utilize it on Amazon to understand our potential competitors' inventory level, and how that can be tracked on a regular basis to really understand their sales volume. As always, if you guys have questions about the 999 method, hit me up in the comments down below. I'll get you guys squared away with any questions you have. Again, check the link down below to get a hold of this template. It's phenomenal just for understanding some of these sales patterns. As always, like, subscribe. We got more Amazon FBA videos coming your way.